Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you are doing fine. This is Priyanka. Welcome to my channel Love for Literature. In our previous video, we have talked about id, ego, and superego. Okay, so the basic principles of our personality explained by Mr. Sigmund Freud in his great book Interpretation of Dreams, which was published in the year 1900. Okay, if you haven't watched it, then please make sure you visit my channel and watch the previous videos, and especially the video connected with human psyche. We are also going to talk about human psyche today, so make sure you watch the previous videos on human psyche, that is ego and superego. I hope you were liking my videos, so please put the like button. Please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel by pressing the bell icon so that you will be notified when I upload a new video. So, without any further delay, let's get started with today's topic. So, Mr. Sigmund Freud, this great psychoanalyst, he was a psychologist, he was a doctor also. He worked with human brain. He studied and experimented with human brain and tried to interpret dreams. Why do we have dreams? And how dreams can tell about our personality, how dreams can define who we are, how we think, and all these things. In his groundbreaking book, Interpretation of Dreams, which has created a new era in the genre of psychoanalysis and psychoanalytic theory. Sigmund Freud has compared human mind or human soul or human brain or human thought process, human consciousness into three levels: conscious, that is Chetan; subconscious or preconscious, that is Avchetan; and unconscious, that is Achetan. You may have watched some YouTube videos where the thumbnail is how can you reprogram your subconscious mind, power of subconscious mind, and videos like that are too much available in YouTube. So what is the subconscious mind and what is unconscious mind, and what is the difference between subconscious and unconscious? Okay, so conscious or chetan means our thoughts, our current actions, our current activities. Like you were watching this video, so you are very much in the conscious level of your personality. Okay, you are cooking something, you are studying, you are listening to the lectures in the classroom. Means right now, with your full body and mind, you are performing some activity, you are performing some task. That is the conscious level. Means your whole system, your nervous system, your other organ systems, everything is working in a perfect balance. That is why you are writing or you are cooking, you are doing any kind of work. So that is your conscious level. That is only 30 to 40% is our conscious level, and the rest is subconscious, and the deepest level is unconscious. Like you have seen the movie Titanic, where the biggest ship, the ever strongest ship Titanic, got hit an iceberg that was floating in the ocean, and it got submerged, and you all know the story. So only a little portion of the iceberg was visible on the surface of the water, Atlantic's water, and most of the part of it was submerged, which cannot be seen. It was so deep inside the ocean floor that it is not possible, without much proper scientific instrument, to measure the depth where the iceberg was rooted at the ocean floor. So it is deep rooted, it is submerged. Like our human mind, as per Sigmund Freud's analysis, is like an iceberg. Only some tip of it, that is your conscious mind, is visible, and the rest of it is submerged. And the second level is, that is, you can say, just below the surface of the water, some portion of it, maybe 30%, is subconscious or preconscious mind. Means our reactions and actions we realized when we think of it, that can be compared with our long term memory. We remember our school days, lessons, whatever we have learned in our school. Hmm. But can we still remember it thoroughly? If we are supposed to write our exams right now, we will not be able to retain everything thoroughly. But if we calm down ourselves, if we meditate, if we think deep over it, we may recollect some of the informations. ओके, सो ऐसा नहीं होता है कि आपके लॉन्ग टर्म के मेमोरी में जो है वो चीज़ आपके अंदर है, बट उसको थोड़ा सा शांत दिमाग में ज़्यादा टाइम सोचने से फिर वो सामने आ जाता है दिमाग के. सो दैट इज़ व्हाट सेगमेंट फ्रॉइड इज कॉलिंग सबकॉन्शियस और प्री कॉन्शियस. ओके, it it comes when you think deeply, when you meditate. Ours, it can be said as our storage, as our hard disk, that our storage where informations are there, but we need to टेक इट आउट. हमको उसको बाहर निकालने का होता है. जैसे कि आपकी कुछ फियर है, कुछ बिलीफ है, कुछ डिज़ायर है, कुछ आपके अब पड़े है वो चीज़, पर राइट ना आपके दिमाग में आ नहीं रहा है, पर वो आपके दिमाग में है. यू कैन टेक इट आउट. आप ट्राई करके उसको धीरे धीरे से याद करके उसको ला सकते हैं. तो दैट इज़ योर सबकॉन्शियस और प्री कॉन्शियस. And the next level, that is very deep level, where you have no access, जहाँ आप पहुँच नहीं पाएंगे, आपके पहुँच के बाहर है वो चीज़. that is अचेतन, that is unconscious. For example, unconscious is our sleep. When somebody and our sleep, when full anesthesia is given to a patient who is to be operated, पेशेंट को जब फुल अनास्थेशिया देते हैं, या हम लोग जब डेली रात को सो जाते हैं, तो उस टाइम पे हम कहाँ जाते हैं, हमारे ब्रेन, हमारे आत्मा, हमको नहीं पता. वी आर नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड वेयर वी go inside our sleep, isn't it? Our body is alive when we are sleeping, or our body is alive, our systems are working. All our systems are working in our body to make us alive. Our heart is working, everything is working, but still we are not aware of what is going on around us. आप जब रात को सोते हैं, हर रोज़ बहुत गहरी नींद आती है, तो आप नहीं पता चलते कि आपके चारों आपके बाजू में क्या हो रहा है, आपकी सोसाइटी में क्या हो रहा है. मीन्स यू आर एक्चुअली इन योर ब्रेन, यू आर डेड एक्चुअली, बट योर बॉडी इज़ अलाइव. आपके सांस चल रहे होते हैं, बॉडी के सारे फंक्शंस चल रहे होते हैं, पर आप जानते नहीं हैं कि स्लीप में क्या होता है. हम लोग जानते हैं स्लीप में क्या होता है, नहीं. एंड आवर ड्रीम, okay, it is said normally that whatever you think the whole day, you will see in the night in the dream. जो आप पूरा दिन सोचते रहते हैं वही आप ड्रीम में देखेंगे. ऐसे तो होते हैं, हम जो सोचते हैं वो देखते हैं, पर ऐसे भी कुछ चीज़ें होते हैं जो हम कभी सोचे ही नहीं, पर हम ड्रीम देखते हैं. तो हम नहीं सोचते कि अरे ये इसके बारे में तो मैंने सोचा नहीं था कभी, आई हैव नेवर थॉट अबाउट इट, सो वाई शुड आई सी इट इन द ड्रीम. मैं ऐसा ड्रीम क्यों देखा, क्योंकि इसके बारे में तो मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा. तो ऐसा सोच मेरे दिमाग में आया कहाँ से. सो दैट इज़ योर अनकॉन्शियस पार्ट ऑफ योर माइंड. यू योर सेल्फ are not aware of what is there in your unconscious mind. It is beyond your reach. आप वहाँ तक पहुँच नहीं सकते. ओके, हर रोज़ नींद में आपको क्या होता है आपको नहीं पता. जैसे ही आप फिर जाग जाते हैं, when you are awake very much, you come back to your senses, you wake up in the morning, your consciousness is restored. But when you are sleeping, your consciousness, you don't know where does it go. So sleep is our unconscious. We do not know what happens in the sleep. We are not aware of anything. Only our body functions are performing, but in our mind, in our brain, we are inactive. So sleep is unconscious. When full anesthesia is given to a person who is to be operated. Nowadays, full anesthesia is not given much, but earlier it was practiced that full anesthesia is to be given to the patient. So full anesthesia is also like an unconscious. You are unconscious, only your body is working. So that is our unconscious, where we do not know what is inside that unconscious. Our repressed feelings, our some hidden desires, mostly hidden sexual desires, which are unacceptable by society, which are socially unrecognizable, and some unexpected desires are there in our unconscious mind which we are not aware of. We ourselves do not know what is in our unconscious mind. That is why we see those weird dreams. अब अजीब अजीब से सपने देखते हैं और सुबह उठ के सोचते हैं ऐसा मैंने क्यों देखा, ऐसा तो मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं. So that is stored in your unconscious mind. You are not aware of it. What are the thoughts, what are the unrequited desires are there in your unconscious mind. You do not have any access to that point of mind, which is the deepest part of the iceberg, which is submerged in the ocean floor. So that is our unconscious. So it is not accessible, human being cannot reach it. Some hidden desires, some unknown desires which you yourself are not aware of. आपको खुद नहीं पता आपके अंदर के आत्मा को क्या चाहिए होता है, आप नहीं पहुंच पाते हैं उधर, तो वो है अनकॉन्शियस. ओके, एंड सबकॉन्शियस और प्री कॉन्शियस इज द मिडल पार्ट ऑफ द आइसबर्ग, which is somehow visible when you look deep into the water. If you are in the if you are sailing on the ship or boat and you are looking down deep inside the water, you can see only a bit of the iceberg inside the water, just beneath the water level. So that is our subconscious mind. It is very powerful. If you talk to yourself calmly, if you sit calmly with only yourself, if you talk to yourself daily, if you talk to yourself daily in front of the mirror, or if you meditate, if you try to introspect your own personality, if you try to improve yourself by self talking, you will know that yes, some desires are there inside me and it can be awakened. मेरी कुछ कुछ ऐसी इच्छा है जो डेली लाइफ की मतलब इतने सारी काम के तले वो दब गया है, उसको मैं आगे उसको निकाल के ला के उसको मैं ठीक कर सकती हूँ. आई कैन टेक इट आउट बैक फ्रॉम माई डीप माइंड एंड आई कैन यूज़ इट. मान लीजिए आपके कुछ टैलेंट है जो कि डेली लाइफ की एक्टिविटीज़ में नहीं हो पा रहा है. आप अगर अकेले खुद के साथ मेडिटेट करें, बैठ के सोचे कि मेरे पास और क्या क्या हिडन क्वालिटीज़ है. मान लो आप अच्छे गाना गाते हो या अच्छे पेंटिंग करते हो, बहुत सालों पहले करते थे, अभी आपने छोड़ दिया, तो आपकी माइंड बोलते हैं कि वाई शुड यू नॉट स्टार्ट इट अगेन. क्यों नहीं फिर से तुम कर लेते हो वो हैबिट फिर से निकालो, फिर से टाइम निकाल के आप ड्राइंग करो, पेंटिंग करो या जो भी आपकी हैबिट है. मीन्स आई वॉन्ट टू से दैट सबकॉन्शियस माइंड कैन बी अवेकन. सबकॉन्शियस में आपके क्या है वो आप खुद के साथ खुद बात करके पता कर सकते हैं और उसको फिर से आप प्रैक्टिस में ला भी सकते हैं. बट यू आर नॉट एबल टू रीच योर अनकॉन्शियस माइंड. रिमेंबर इट, अनकॉन्शियस है अचेतन. हाँ, कोमा में चले जाते हैं, वो भी अनकॉन्शियस है. स्लीप, आवर डेली स्लीप, वो भी अनकॉन्शियस है. जैसे आई टोल्ड यू राइट अ लिटिल अगो दैट एनास्थेशिया, फुल एनास्थेशिया जब देते हैं वो भी अनकॉन्शियस है. तो दिस इज़ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन subconscious, conscious, subconscious and unconscious. And conscious, you are knowing that you are watching this video at YouTube with your mobile. That is a conscious mind. That is very much in the present moment, currently performing the activity. That is the conscious mind. So this is all about Sigmund Freud's iceberg theory, where he has compared human mind with an floating and submerged iceberg in the ocean. So I hope I am able to explain it to my viewers. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends and relatives and subscribe to my channel for further update. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Keep learning literature. Bye. Have a nice day.